Welcome traders to this weekly day trading video where we go through the market this morning. Also going to see what is on your mind, what are you guys feeling like. So yeah, cool. Tell me if the music is too high and we will get ready to rumble. Trading Forex is risky, not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Whatever's happened in the past doesn't need to happen in the future, so stay small. Have low risk and focus on the long term. And be happy. Just move that one over there. And then we can take that moment. Cool. So we have Zaman here. What about gold? We have Messiah. What about high? Cool. Let me see if you guys hear what I see. Okay, cool. So, what about gold? Morning, Evan. Whoop whoop whoop. Earlier today, yeah. Well, it's just an extra thing for you guys since you guys are so kind to me. So I'm just trying to be here for 30 minutes, I guess. I have a new live at Thursday in 11, so I just need to be here very quickly. So what about gold? We can do gold. There's a couple of ways to trade this thing here. There is weekly and there's daily. If you were a daily trader, you're like, cool, that's an entry. That is what I teach you guys to do. And then this is also your daily, and this is also your daily. So enjoy. For those who are in this move, in this move, in this move, you are currently stinking money. Cool. Isn't that amazing? Euro dollar. Hi, Solis. So for me this morning, what I would have done, well, this is a bit past and that's a bit sad, but what I would do every day and every morning, I would be like, okay, so I would be looking into this level here. So what we were seeing yesterday is that support, and then that is the new support. For me, that is still a valid trade. Make me money, Captain Charisma. Okay, cool. Do you have the knowledge? Do you have the patience to make money? But this is really the trade that I would love you guys to do. That was yesterday. Okay. Cool. So for if you don't have the patience, I'm not going to teach you anything at all. So for me, I would go down to weekly and then say, okay, so what did we see here? We saw price coming down to this support, coming down to this resistance, now turning support. And where are we going then? Well, first of all, I think we're going to 2007, but then I also believe we're going to go higher than that, and overall going to 2126. You're at your feet, help me. Hi, Captain Charisma. If you want my help, there is a Discord channel. In that Discord channel, I have a bunch of videos, or at least a list of what you need to do to start heading in the right direction. Okay, so the first direction that I want you guys to take is learn price action, learn support and resistance, learn trends, learn trend reversals, and market structure. Do we have to beg? You don't have to beg for anything. But what it depends what you want. Do you want me to help your hands to sit tight next to you every morning when trading the market? Is that what you mean? Then you don't need to beg, then you need to pay me. But yeah, apart from that, cool. So for gold, we are currently breaking out, and I've said I didn't like it. I really wanted down to 50, going down to 1950. You got 53, which is, yeah, okay, it goes, I guess. But apart from that, just tell me the numbers to input, please. Okay, so if you want me to give you the input of what you need to do, then you need to plan for tomorrow, because today is already gone. This morning has already gone. Okay, so what do you want to see tomorrow then? For gold, for example, you would maybe go down to 1 hour and say, okay, if price comes back to 1974, you're like, cool, that's a price I could trade. Cool. The other part is, if you are thinking of dynamic support, you might say price coming down to 1980 and then continue. That's up to you. So what do I want to say is, if you are in a trend, uptrend for that matter, you're just looking into support and resistance. That's what you want price to do. And if it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen. But you need to be ready if price is down here again at 1975. So if that was a price you wanted to hear, I don't know. But this is standard procedure, mate. And if you lack the knowledge of what you're supposed to do, practice. You know, I started 7 years ago trading. I didn't start yesterday. Whatever I'm telling you right now, and what I can tell you today, of not doing breakout strategy, not doing RSI, not doing MACD, not doing moving averages, okay, fine, maybe. All those indicators, I only use pivot points and use price action. That's everything I do. I'm not saying anything against indicators. I'm just saying those I just mentioned, I have not found profitability in it. But if you want to copy me, if I die, who will help you? I want you to have knowledge. I don't want you to do what I do. I want you to do better than me. I want you to be the expert, and I can help, and I can listen to what you have to say. I know people can be better than me. So if you want to be an expert, follow along. So I'm not going to give you anything. I'm not going to give you any signals. I'm going to give you knowledge. I'm trying to give you knowledge. So that you can trade for the next 20 years together with me instead of just the next hour. You don't listen to me. Yeah, I'm here. Oh, what have I done now, Amir? You haven't said anything. You're early today. Yeah, I'm sorry. So let's go. For Aussie dollar, we are looking at, we have broke versus sellers. Sellers was supposed to be here. They didn't finish. They didn't happen. Okay, so what are we looking into then? We're looking into either this support or this support before turning higher. What is the target? Target is 74.71, but I think it's going to go higher than that. For 75.50 sounds like a good idea. You need to have a kid to take your legacy after your retirement. Yeah, it's true. I need to really teach that kid really good trading skills. Or if I die tomorrow, I can just have my wife do it instead. Like, is that a thing, people? Like, if you trade together with your wife, like we have someone in my Discord channel who's actually a wife and husband is actually in my Discord channel. I was really surprised. Is that a thing people can do now? Like, that's my way of trading style. Is I trade together with my wife and we teach. Anyways, let's start. Let's continue. So I would just look for the pullback, and if I don't get it, I don't get it. Fine, cool. Just leave it. So if you're wondering about price, you want to look at Campton. I'm just giving it to you silently, secretly, because I'm not giving any advice at all. But look at that, people. Boom. We have a target for this week. Whoop, 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 whoop. Isn't that amazing? We've already hit target. It's already Tuesday. You're done with the week. Laughing all the way to the bank, people. Yeah, you're done. Have a fun day. Well, I guess you could just say EUR/USD is going to continue whatever the journey they are on right now. But say that your risk just went skyrocket. Okay? So if this one falls, you won't know what to do. But that's all. But I think it's going to continue. I don't think this is. I really don't think. Well, 120 is still a round number. Cool. But if it does fall, I will bring it back up again. Well, I hope you guys are having fun, because I just made money. So what's the target for your dollar next one then, mates? Let's go to monthly. 20. I think I've said 122 actually, to be honest. Just keep that. Let's keep 122 as a target. And then, what do you do now, mate? How are you going to do trade this time? Well, if you take the price down to support, and then you make a high. If it breaks that, it goes back. You buy it again, and you go higher. Also, give it a like for this. Well, if you guys, people, I'm just giving you profits. Aussie dollar is in profit, euro dollar is in profit, pound dollar is in profit. Gold should be in profit, pound yen should be in profit. New Zealand dollar is in profit. Like, what do you guys want me to do? I told you guys on Sunday, dollar will weaken, and everything has happened. Yen was weakened. What do you want me to do? But yeah, so I'm just waiting for people to bring in their statements of all the money, and happy days, people. Happy wife, happy life. Pound dollar, look at that, mates. So, okay, so plan A, as I remember saying, was if it continues, buy support, that's what I told you. I know I told you that on Sunday, or you were thinking price coming down here before going higher. It didn't, and I'm sorry about that. The other problem is we have more profits now. Okay. Cool. What's the target, mates? Well, the target is at least 135. 135, 135, 135. So there is 70 pips left in the move. But if you get like a run down here and before going higher, that's even better for you. But okay, cool. Like, is nobody happy for that? Nobody's happy for profits? Like, what happens, Sammy? So gold we did, we're looking into going higher, up to 2,000. Silver hit weekly take private, oh lordy. So we said going lower, it didn't, it went higher instead, then pullback, so that's really your buy, and that's really a buy, and you can think of taking profit there or just take it higher. So people, I have told you guys buying at support in an uptrend. That is technically now an uptrend. Okay? I can't emphasize on that enough. Okay, and again another thing here, pound dollar. Came down to support, that's a buy. Did you buy that? I don't know. Came up here, I will not take that one, but I will take this pullback here, and then going higher. Was the target 140 to 80, but I think we're going higher than that, so just join along. Hi Abbas, how are you? So for this morning, like, what can I tell you guys? What can I teach you guys? First of all, I can teach you guys that this morning we came down to entry for buyers. Yesterday morning we came down to entry for buyers. On Friday we came down to entry for buyers. So that is 3 entries. In my direction. And we haven't made a new lower low yet. What is this? Stop loss on pound dollar. Okay, cool. Chill. Don't know. Depends on your entry. So if you enter here, your stop loss should be 80 pips. Should be below previous support. So if you enter here, you should have stop loss here. If you enter here, you should have stop loss here. Maybe not. If you enter here, you should have stop loss here. Take that away. Okay. Price action. If you enter here, stop loss here. If you enter here, you should have stop loss here. If you enter here, you should have stop loss here. If you enter here, you should have stop loss here. Is 141.60 dynamic support? It's not 141.60, it's 141.30. 3. It's not dynamic support, it is resistance. Trading support. How do you guys like the music today? Like, people have been complaining. I have been complaining about my own music taste lately. How do you think about the music? Is it cool? Is it not cool? Is it too low? Is it too high? Like, tell me. Give me feedback, people. Looks like major hit weekly target before Wednesday. It's going to, it hasn't yet, Ika, it will. Do you think they will pull back to PP? I don't think so. I think that's a bit too far. I think it will go back to M3. Okay. Summer vibes. Music is perfect. They're in the rush to get over with targets. True. Don't forget to use the cat. I will try. So yeah, I have like 10 minutes left to talk. So we'll just rush it. But yeah, I feel like this music, this song particularly, is like really gets me going. But okay. So what is happening, people? Let me just clarify for you. I want to give you knowledge. Okay? Why? What is the specific about this week? This week has NFP. That's why targets are rushed. They want to be in targets by Wednesday or Thursday or even before that. So we have already hit on euro, dollar. So what is going to happen then is they will just skyrocket the market, hit take profit, and then range, and then on Friday fall. How far? I don't know. It's not necessarily 100%, but like it can be all the way down to 618. So that's like here. So if you entered here, 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 you would have your stop loss hit. So that's why this week it's important to take profit before Friday. I have taken a long time to learn that, people. I've taken a long time to learn that system. So please, give this video a like. I just gave you very high value advice. Okay? Just take that to heart. Even from mentorship students that is here, take that to heart. So, what do I mean? This is what I mean. Price doesn't come down to entry, it just goes straight to take profit. And now it can consolidate, maybe a new low, and then fall on Friday. Or it can continue, but on Friday fall. Okay? You're welcome. You give us the golden advices. Thank you, Master. Thank you. For USD CAD, it seems to me like Friday was really the top, and that target of 129.70 seemed to be very close. So this, like, I don't know if you guys feel like buying this one, but this is sell, this is sell, this is sell, this is a sell, and this is a sell. And this is a sell. So you got one entry, you got two entries, you got three entries. So you get three entries and probably 400 pips on the longest one. So I want you guys to, I want to treat you that this is how you trade on those larger falls, because we're still bearish. So if you were with me alive back in the 23rd of August, which is a month ago, you should be now well in profit. So 446 plus 400 plus 228, 1,000 pips I have given you. I've given you that in every Sunday live, every Monday live, and that when I say that should be available to sell. I say that here, that should be available to sell. I said here, maybe not. I said here, that should be available to sell. So I hope you guys are following along, paying attention, and doing what you're supposed to do. So I just gave you 1,000 pips. Boom, people. You can't trust, you have trust issues. Okay, cool. Another one. You buy here, you take profit there, it never happened. You buy here, you take profit here, that happened. You buy here, you take profit. That happened. You buy here, and that is yet to come. Cool. Sorry, New Zealand dollar. New Zealand dollar still has a lot of room to go, I guess. So catch a pullback. So I love you guys for being here today. I will do one random. I will do one random pair now. I have done all the USD pairs. Dollar is weak. It is continued to be weak. It is continued to be weak. And that's what we continue to do. As long as we still have an uptrend, we will still do it. We will buy at support in an uptrend, and we shall sell at resistance for USD CAD. And if it turns around, we wait for it to turn back down again. Ika says, can take New Zealand CAD. We can do New Zealand CAD as the one pair that was requested for, being off the limit. The difference here is that, okay, cool. Sounds like a legit buy at the moment. Would I take it? I don't know. I would like it to come down to central. 87.50, but I think that's maybe plan A. You now have a reversal, and this is plan B, and then stop loss below, whatever. That's 50 pips, and that's 50 pips. Yeah, okay, 60. Okay, that's what I would do. Do you think we're in an uptrend? Yes. And you now have a new higher high? Cool. You can now take the pullback. And I don't know if that will work out, but I hope that it does for you. Abbas, you need to have month. So what I want to teach you guys, and maybe Captain went away, I don't know if Captain still is here, but you need to have monthly trades, weekly trades, and daily trades. Every month, every week, every day, there is a trade. As long as there is an uptrend, as long as there's a trend in your favor. That's what you should look in for. Look at. Doesn't necessarily get it, but that's what you want to see. Okay. What else, people? Just 10 likes out of 24 viewing. Okay, I need to improve until next time apparently, because not everyone liked this video. So I hope you have subscribed if you're new to this channel, and I try to come back tonight with the plan for September. So boom, be happy and stay safe out there. Amazing. See you guys later.